Let's discuss about JSX. JSX is a syntax extension for JavaScript. At very beginning, I want to let you know that JSX and React are two different things. They are often used together, but you can use them independently of each other. JSX is a syntax extension, while React is a JavaScript library. Each React component is a JavaScript function that may contain some markup that React renders into the browser. React component use a syntax extension called JSX to represent that markup. Though there is other ways to build the markup, but JSX is very easy and concise to build the markup. React developer like to use JSX. Here is the app component. Last video we saw this component, and here is some funny syntax, and this syntax is neither a HTML element nor a string. This is basically JSX. This allows us to write HTML-like markup inside a JavaScript file. JSX has some rules. I'm going to discuss few of them here. It only can return a single element. It cannot return multiple elements. Let's see. Here I am changing code to return multiple elements like S1, S1, developer. So we can see there is an error. Let's wrap them with the single parent tab and it will work. So now it is returning only one element, the parent element, div. Or we can use the empty tag like this. In React, it is called fragment. JSX requires tags to be explicitly closed. Like self-closing tag image should have a closing, and any tag should have a closing. JSX uses camel casing almost of the things. Here, class is the reserved word for the HTML. In JSX, it should be class name. So anything in JSX should be camel case. We can use single curly braces to pass the dynamic data in JSX. Let's say, let's declare a variable name here. And change this constant in the curly braces. Let's see the browser. Similar result. Using double curly braces, we can add an inline style in React. So here, style like background color. And it is the camel case. Right. Let's see in browser. So that's all the JSX. Uh, we talked multiple times component in this series. The next video, let's discuss about the component.